Welcome to your own piece of Texas, where the stars at night are big and bright. Bring your friends, family and all of your toys. This home sits on 3 lots and has so much to offer, including 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 with double sinks and a jetted tub, huge laundry room with extra storage space, washer and dryer convey, recent water heater, water softener, stainless appliances, 4 Lazy Susans, under-counter lights, slate countertops in the kitchen, as well as beautiful slate flooring. Breakfast bar and open concept kitchen, living room/dining. Outside you'll find a large covered deck with evening shade, great for entertaining, a storage building and a large metal garage/workshop. There is plenty of room for parking with a large front drive and even a front side gate to park a large boat or an RV. Find privacy among the mesquite.